leap year leap year logic. Leap year is a year which is divisible by 4. So leap year is something that an year is divisible by 4. It means 4 years once we will get a leap year. So for example 2020, it's a leap year because it should be divisible by 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. So 2020 is a leap year because it is divisible by 4. So 2020 is a leap year. And 2024, let us take 2024. 4 5s are 20. 24. 4 6 are 24. So 2024 is also a leap year because 4 years once we will get a leap year. And so it should be every year which should be divisible by 4, then remainder should be 0. Like this, remainder should be 0 when it is divisible by 4 because 4 years once we will get a leap year. So that is the logic in Python. So when you are writing a logic in Python, so this is a function for leap year and you pass year as an input. And if year should be divisible by 4 and that year divisible by 100 should not be equal to 0. And this is one more logic that you should remember, that the year should be, when it is divisible by 100, the remainder should not be equal to 0 because we don't include 100 years once as a leap year, because 100 years once, when it's that earth orbits function. So it's, and whatever the 4 and 400, if any year that is divisible by 4 and 400, it's leap year because 4 years once we will get a leap year and 400 years once definitely it will be a leap year. But whereas 100 years once also, we won't get the leap year, so it should be not equal to 0. So and we will keep this logic, year divided by 400 equal to 0, then return true as boolean. So and you will pass year as an input here, int of input of. So this is how you will give an input in Python and it will automatically pass for all the test cases. And this is a logic for leap year. A leap year is a leap year when it is divisible by 4 and remainder is 0. And this is the most basic condition for leap year. Whereas leap year should also meet these conditions, these two. Without these two conditions, only this condition, if it is leap year, some years they might be, some years are not, only if you give this condition. You should also give these two conditions for leap year. Remainder when you divide it by 100, because you don't take end of century years. So end of century years you won't take in 100. It is end of century. So like this 19th century, 18th century end it is, right? And 20th century end, 21st century end, which is 2100. So like this, these years can't be leap years. And also these should be also the 1900, it is divisible by 100, so it is not a leap year. It's divisible by 4, it's a leap year, but it should meet this condition also, that it should not be divisible by 100, which is 100 years once you will not get a leap year. So that is the condition. So and 400 years once you will get a leap year, and 4 years once you will get a leap year. So that is the basic, leap year is something that is divisible by 4 and its multiples. So you should get remainder as 0. For example 2024, okay, let us take that. So current year, if it's a leap year or not is what our question is. So it is divisible by 4, so it met one condition. And now 2024, is it divisible by 100? 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200, so 2 is the remainder, 4 is the remainder, 0 you'll give 0, and 100 twos are 200, you'll get 40 as a remainder and you'll give 0 as a. So yes, not divisible by 100, whereas it will be divisible by 400. So anyway, it is meeting the first condition, which is year should be divisible by 4 and year should not be divisible by 100. It should not give remainder as 0. So it is not giving a remainder as 0. So this is a condition for leap year. Please let me know in comments if you don't understand. I'll explain it again with more examples, and subscribe to my channel for more Python updates and for more technical updates.